Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today again we are going to be doing another tape art. So for this I have taken the masking tape and cut it on the cutting board and paste it in here. We will be doing a very beautiful scenery. And guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get the latest video notification. Let's get started. Guys, we're going to start from the outside of the masking tape area first, and we will create a pink cloud, and then we will start inside of this circle with the beautiful scenery. So let's get started. So from the colors that I have started is white and magenta, and we will keep the circular motion of brush. It's all that we want to create the beautiful pink tone cloud. Okay guys, so I have taken a sponge. It should be a little bit small because the area that we are going to cover is very small. So now we're going to take violet, magenta and a very little bit of white, and we're going to dab it. So guys, now I have taken the cobalt blue and white color for the inner scenery of the circle. Now we're going to blend these two, making the bright blue sky. Now I have taken guys this sponge for the cloud area that we will be creating cloud to some part of the sky. Okay guys, so now I have taken the mid yellow and bit of lighter green in the middle and the dark green just at the very bottom. Now we're going to blend it. Okay guys, so now I have sketched a hut here, a little house. Now I have used here the cherry red and white mixed, and we're going to fill up the house with this color. Some magenta tone in the other side of the house so that it looks like it is a bit shady as compared to the other part. For the roof part, I have taken the dark burnt amber and yellow ochre, and I have mixed a little bit of raw amber as well. With the tip of the palette knife, we're going to create this texture on the surface of the floor, surface of the roof, sorry. So guys, now I have taken the dark green and bit of black just to show the very far away bushes here. Now I have mixed the dark burnt amber with the black just to draw the tree area here. So I'm using here the small sponge for the tree, and the darkest green with bit of black. We'll dab it. Okay guys, so now we're going to create rose flowers, the bunches of rose flowers across this place. So for this I have selected first the black color just to give it more shades. I've grabbed the palette knife and I am going to use it for the rose flowers. Now I have mixed the cherry red and the magenta color, so randomly we will put the this across to some points for the flowers. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the painting. Hope so that you like it, and you can try. Definitely it's not too difficult. Please press the like button, and if you like the painting, and follow me on my Instagram, that's Almas Arts with no space, and also on the Facebook Almas Arts. You will be watching that on the top right corner, and see you with another amazing painting. Take care, have a blessed day, bye bye.